Get the word out with these internet marketing ideas. Web marketing is only as challenging as you view it to be. When something fails, it depends on you to replace it with something that works. Each time you attempt a new technique, you're doing it blind. So here are some ideas that have been tested by others that have worked for them. Here's ways the most likely to be effective for you too. Blogging is an excellent tool if you are using the web to help your service along. It may spend time to get the blog up and running, and you will require to upgrade it regularly. However, it is an outstanding way to give your consumers a much better way to know more about you and your items. An important tip concerning internet marketing is to be sure that you do not have any big files that need to load on your web page. This is necessary since not everyone has fast computer system with a good internet connection, and big graphics may take a very long time to pack on their computer system. You do not wish to keep your site visitors waiting, as they might close a website and not come back. When utilizing email lists to market your services or items to an online audience, make certain to generate active feedback from your readers. Ask your readers to address a question through your website or social media connection. Not just will this draw more readers into your site, it will produce an individual connection between you and your email audience. Be offered if you are marketing online and make your clients feel at ease. Offer them with your real company address and a cell phone number. Many individuals are not comfy spending their hard-earned money at online websites that use post office boxes. Let them understand that you are available and they have a issue or questions, they can get in touch with you. Producing links to other websites that have actually offered you favorable reviews. You can connect to a site that sings your praises, both in your advertisements and likewise somewhere else on your site. Then you should try to separate your individuals and public personalities. If you are interested in making your company public on a social networking website, the best method to do this is to develop two various accounts. One for you and one for you as a professional or a little entrepreneur. Motivate people to buy more items, providing them a reward if they spend a certain quality of cash. You can provide free shipping, a totally free product, or a certain discount. Get people to come back to your website by permitting them to spend the amount of money over a specific period of time. Each person's needs are different, so one strategy might work for some that does not work for you. You should not overlook it or ditch it. However, try to adhere it so that it meets your requirements. However, try altering it so it meets your requirements much better, and you might find fantastic success with it. Keep learning, keep attempting, and keep your chin up. You do not want to keep your website visitors waiting, as they might close your website and not come back. Not just will this draw the readers to your site, it will produce an individual connection in between you and your email audience. Many individuals are not comfort investing their hard-earned money with online sites that use post office boxes. As I've said, I've stressed this point because people do not like PO boxes, as they're called normally. Developing links to other websites that have actually offered your positive reviews. This can lead to more customers coming back. You can link to the sites that sing your appeal, both in your advertising and likewise somewhere else on your website. I've stressed this again because this is the best way to go. Thank you for being here. I hope some of this has helped you. I do short videos all the time. Below this video you'll see a link to my YouTube channel, and it's Ian Jackson 1366. You put in front of that YouTube at, so it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366, and just search around and you'll find videos that will suit you. I have over 200 videos up, and they're all to do with internet marketing and earning money. Maybe an odd one or two that just things I thought at the time might help. So below this video there is a like button. Please press the like button for me, as this allows YouTube to let adverts come on my site once I've had so many views. And also above there's a bell. Click on that bell and you'll be informed once you press all when I put another video onto YouTube. Now below my video you'll find links to tools I use to do videos like this one, and also the microphones, speakers, etc. that you can purchase. All different sort of things that help you with your internet marketing. Also past them there are different sites I have joined and programs that I like. They're all in the links. If you click on any links, which are all affiliated links, I don't own any of the programs. So when you go, if you do join or purchase, I will then get a small commission. This is how internet marketing works. So please click the like button below, and if you want more videos, click on the bell, press all. So this is Ian Jackson once more saying all the very best in your online marketing. Before you leave, whatever you want to start, whatever you're looking at doing, please do a search, because there's so many scams on the internet, it's unbelievable. Search with Google. They do good write-ups, tell you about things. You can find out more about anything on Google than anywhere else that I know. Also, if you go to YouTube, put in how to in the browser bar, and whatever you're chasing, how to wash a baby, how to cook a meal, how to ride a bicycle, how to get your car serviced, all things like that, how to, then whatever you want. That's YouTube. I use it and use it and use it, because even though I've been doing the internet for a long time, there's always more you can learn. And both those two, Google and YouTube, are good for that. There's plenty of others, but they're the two I recommend. So once more, all the very best in your marketing, and I hope you succeed and have a good year. Bye bye for now.